Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll discuss a powerful principle to improve your productivity and focus on the most important tasks. The 80-20th rule, also known as the Pareto Principle. Stay with me till the end of this video to learn how to apply this rule to your work and daily life for maximum results. Understand the 80-20th rule. The 80-20th rule states that 80% of your results come from 20% of your actions. This principle applies to many areas of life, such as work, relationships, and personal growth. By identifying and focusing on the most effective 20% of your actions, you can achieve more with less effort. Identify your top priorities. Make a list of all the tasks and activities you need to complete. Determine which tasks are most important and have the most significant impact on your results. Focus on the top 20% of tasks that generate 80% of your desired outcomes. Example: if you're working on a project, identify the tasks that will have the most significant impact on its success, such as setting clear goals, creating a detailed plan, and delegating tasks effectively. Eliminate or delegate low-impact tasks. Identify tasks that consume time and energy but have little impact on your results. Consider eliminating or delegating these tasks to free up more time and energy for high-priority tasks. Example: if you spend a lot of time on administrative tasks, consider outsourcing them to a virtual assistant or using productivity tools to streamline the process. Stay focused and minimize distractions. Develop a clear plan and set specific deadlines for your top priority tasks. Minimize distractions and stay focused on high-priority tasks. Tip: try the Pomodoro technique to maintain focus on a task for a set period, e.g., 25 minutes, then take a short break before resuming. This will help you maintain focus and accomplish more in less time. Regularly reevaluate and adjust. Regularly review your progress and outcomes. Adjust your priorities based on changes in your goals or environment. Continue to seek ways to improve your productivity and focus on the most critical actions. Example: if you find that some tasks are not generating the expected results, it may be time to reevaluate their importance and replace them with more effective actions. Don't hesitate to adjust your approach and experiment with new methods to maximize your productivity. Conclusion: priority management and the 80-20th rule are powerful tools for improving your productivity and focusing on the most critical actions. By applying the Pareto Principle to your work and daily life, you can maximize your outcomes while reducing unnecessary effort. Try implementing these strategies and see the impact they have on your productivity. Thank you for watching this video on priority management and the 80-20th rule. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. And, as always, leave a comment to let me know how the Pareto Principle has improved your productivity and well-being. See you in the next video. Subscribe in my channel. Like a video. And share. Thanks you.